When we get requests for school intercoms, there's several applications people are looking for. One is, of course, room-to-room calling, and for something like that, this system here, the multi-room wireless intercom system, is actually designed for use in schools, and it's got a station, a base station, or actually a wall station, and a receiver module that transmits to a centralized controller. And there's also other things you can integrate as far as clocks and PA systems and everything with this system. It is cost up to several $100s a room, so it just really depends on your budget whether or not this will fit. And other times we might have someone who just wants ability to broadcast out to separate rooms. And in that case, sometimes we'll propose and if they want wireless, like this Murs wireless intercom system, here's a set of two of them, but this one can be, it has 5 channels on it, so it's not really good for room-to-room calling, but it does have a long distance, so you don't have to worry about the range on this. And plus, you could use handheld devices with it. And it's you can have two-way communication, but all the rooms are going to hear everything that's being broadcast over it. So unless you happen to switch to another channel, like you could page someone and then switch to another channel, and that would allow you to at least have communication without everyone hearing. But then you'd have to make sure, of course, they went back to the paging channel, because otherwise you'd not hear what's going on or they'd miss out. So this is definitely a cheaper way of satisfying the need, and for some that gets them by. In very small schools, we have 900 megahertz intercom that will work as well. This system here, and this is all battery powered, so yeah, it does have 4 channels. But one thing about this is when someone presses a button to respond to a page to all rooms, then it sets up a private conversation. So, but this will only work for short ranges, and if it's a very small school, that might work. And we've had just certain applications where people need like some kind of emergency communication out on the playground, and sometimes we'll just propose this. Or if there's locked doors, we have wireless call boxes that can be used at those doors, and they communicate with handheld radios or base station intercoms. And there's various versions of these call boxes that can fit the need. But these are very long range, and this one can go up to a couple miles, in fact. So they're very versatile, and for locked doors, they work very well without having to install a bunch of wires. Then there's certain applications. In fact, lately with the school shootings, people are starting to put in more devices for alerting, and we've got a device here, the Murs voice notification wireless monitor. And what this does is you record messages in here, and someone could hit a panic button. Either you could wire one on it, or this particular one you can get with a key fob, so the teacher could just press a button and it'll send out a recorded message. That could go out to a wireless PA system or handheld intercoms, and we have base station intercoms. And these we have programmed to Murs, which is a set of 5 frequencies that work very well and don't require an FCC license. So there's lots of different options. So just give us a call and we'll help you work through them all and see what is best for you.